Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you where can you easily enable or disable the location services in your iPhone. So at first we need to open our settings. Now we have to scroll down till we see privacy and security. Over here we do have, as you can see, the first option, location services. Tap that, and here enable the location services. And actually that's it for the location services. Now your location is enabled. If you want to disable your location back again, tap on this same switch here and turn off. Of course, now you can't find your iPhone for the Find My, but I think you know that when you don't have your location services enabled. And that's it for this video. If you found the video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Goodbye!